welcome back. Programming languages are trying hard to be relevant. AI, machine learning, and data science has great influence on some of the major programming languages. Today, business environments are fast changing. Rapid adaptation to the new environment is very essential for sustainability. Software products and IT services has a great role to play now more than ever. Serving the needs of the customer rapidly is the new key for success. The software systems has to be very efficient, fast in today's circumstances. This leads to major innovation in technology. For example, the stack for DevOps, agile execution, cloud adaptation, machine learning demands a super programming feature. This started reinvention of major programming languages used during .com and the web technologies era. One of the widely used programming languages is Java. Java is now very flexible and relatively fast and also is developer friendly. A few years back, Java had to shake off its legacy style and introduce major changes to the language. This version is termed as Java 8. The imperative style language injected functional and declarative thinking strategy inside it. Until that time, multi-threading was a famous topic. Java 8 has retained its multi-threading capabilities and added multi-core features to take full advantage of the hardware. Now, Java has full potential to fire up powerful CPUs, GPUs, and TPUs and yet be very efficient. For those interested, folks, I suggest more digging into lambdas, frames, optional, completable feature, fork join framework, and so on. So coming back to our topic, the desperate major revamp of Java helped it to sustain the current trends. There is a positive influence of this modernization for business. First, because of this innovation, the business gets better tools, applications, and products. Second, the talent pool just needs to upgrade and not relearn. This saves time and money in long run for the tech companies. Therefore, languages like C++, Python, Java, and so on are trying to become a super programming language of the future. Super programming language is the superpower for the future world. Thank you. See you in the next video. To make more videos as this, please subscribe, like, share, and comment. Thank you.